Now we're going to get into our for in loop, and the for in loop is going to be used for specifically looping through objects, not arrays. Up until now, we've been going through arrays, but now we actually want to loop through an object. So what we're going to do is we are going to create an object variable here. We're simply going to call this object1, and now make this equal to our specified object. And for our case, we're simply going to say key1 val1, so you guys can really see what is going on here. And then we're going to specify key2 here, like so, make this capitalized, and then we are going to say val2, so you guys can really understand what is going on here. Now we want to start off with our for keyword again. So now we want to declare key using our let keyword here, and our key is going to be equal to the keys in our object. So key 1 and key 2, that's why I called these keys. Now we want to specify in what object, so we're going to use our in keyword and then type in object 1. Now what we want to do here is we want to create our text value again, and we want to specify this is, and then we want to actually print out our key value here, like so. So we're going to specify key, and then we want to also add our key value, so val1 and val2. So we're going to go, and this is our object1 and then our key here. So what this is going to do is this is going to display our key values, so key 1 and key 2, and then object1 followed by key is going to display val1 and val2 for our values. Then we simply want to console.log our text, and in this case we do not need to increment our values here. It's automatically done, so you won't run into an infinite loop in this case. And now you guys can see it displays this is key 1 and this is val1, then this is key 2 and this is val2. So what's happening is you're looping through your object here using your key and object 1 here, and then you're running through, grabbing the key, which is in our case key 1 here, then you're grabbing your key value, which in our case for the first one is val1, and then you're console.logging it out again, and then you do it one more time. If you add more key value pairs to your object here, it will print them all out to your console based on this loop. If you guys have questions about using the for in loop for objects, go down in the comments and let us know, and we'll be happy to help you out.
Click the card above to see what happens next.